Okay, so I'm in the LifeSize room V08, and they have an interactive projector. And what I'd like to do is show you how you can use the interactive projector to broadcast to the LifeSize and send that to students so that you're using the LifeSize equipment in conjunction with the built-in whiteboard. Not the physical whiteboard, but this virtual one that comes with the projector, okay? So there's a couple factors that you need to keep in mind when you're doing this. One is to make sure that the setting is correct on the projector. So if you go into the menu, and then I just hit the menu button on the remote to get to it, scroll down to the extended tab, and the easy interactive function is what we're looking for. And basically what we want to do is make sure that the pen mode is on the right setting. So that should be on the PC free annotation, and yep, it is. So we can hit return there and make sure that you turn your menu off after you're done. The other part of it is, and that will then give you the functionality of giving you the overlay, okay? So now I've got an overlay on top of, that's what this button here is. This is the menu that's built into the projector, okay? So that now works because I have made sure that that setting is enabled within the menu. The other thing that you want to do is we're going to broadcast the LifeSize equipment, so I'm just hitting present mode there, and I'm starting the easy interactive tools, okay? I'm going to go ahead and select new, and now the program is there. Now if I wanted to, I could use the mouse and draw with the mouse, but I'm going to think about maybe there's students in this room at the same time, and I want to teach to both of them. So over at the menu of the interactive projector, what I want to do is find this little submenu right here. At the bottom, if you see this, these are two different modes that we're dealing with. This is the easy active projector mode. That's not the mode that we need to be in. We want to see this mouse button there. So I'm just clicking on that, and then I'm going to click on the mouse button. It'll flash and redo itself, and now it's in an interactive PC mode. Okay, so you can see that I've got three different choices here. I can use the orange marker. Orange marker set up on the black. Blue marker is also set on the black. It's a little bit out of focus there. Try and find my finger camera. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use the red button there, and as you can see, it's switched over, so now the red pen is now highlighted. So I'm going to draw me a nice little smiley face here. That says my squiggly smiley face. As you can see, it's a smiley face, and I've drawn that with my finger, and over here on the app on the computer, it's interacting, it's showing up, and so that is being broadcast to the students. So now I've got an interactive projector that's being used to the students on the, say, distance learning sites, whether it's the learning centers or one of the other high schools. They have this ability to turn on and off the interactive projector mode and using the built-in whiteboard.